Here comes Aliyah. Okay, we're watching the eclipse. Still, oh, I can see that bit there, Daddy. Like a bit over like 1%. In the moon. Like on the 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Right.
Wait, let me get Lady in quickly. You get, it works actually, put in there. Lady in. Okay. What's that?
You can see it directly, guys. The solar eclipse,
Huh?
which is really cool. At in the moon, as you can see the circle, I will just explain. Around 4 p.m. there's a bit of like dent na ganun, no? So yeah, it's cool. Lady, go in the garden. Go in the garden. In the garden.